As we agree with the report by the Chair Energy Committee, Honourable Speaker, the issue of electricity connectivity in this country of late has become a very controversial issue. Honourable Speaker, I come from Embu County, and during Ol Kalou elections, there was a rumor that transformers are coming from one side of Mbeere North being taken to Ol Kalou for campaigns. Honourable Speaker, I also met the chair there campaigning for the UDA candidate. And Honourable Speaker, I want to actually caution the chair not to fall into the trap of using electricity as a campaign tool when there is a need. There is a very serious need to map the country, know where electricity is not well connected, know where transformers have become obsolete, and Honourable Speaker, act with speed, put in budget, look for partners, so that, Honourable Speaker, every part of this country should be connected to electricity. We are in the 21st century, Honourable Speaker. We should not be having problems of electricity connectivity in this nation, Honourable Speaker. And as we speak about maintenance, I also want to tell the chair that he should be very keen to ensure you don't, Honourable Speaker, risk the lives of Kenya Power employees. I found in my constituency, Honourable Speaker, some people removing the transformers at night for maintenance, and they were almost lynched. And Honourable Speaker, I wondered what kind of operation could Kenya Power be doing with transformers being removed at night. It is important as we look at how we are going to maintain electricity transformers.
Yes, what's your point of order, MP for kisses?
You can sit down. Listening to my good friend Honorable Mukunji, and I love his debate, but is it in order for him to mislead the country, knowing that the company Kenya Power operates 24 hours, in fact, including having an emergency office that they can undertake an emergency responsibility or calls for that purpose to be treated like they should not be undertaking their duties at night? It is something that he should be, if he doesn't know, then be informed that that department or that company operates 24 hours.
What's your point of order? You are informing me and I have not requested for your information. Honourable Speaker.
You have not raised a matter that essentially is a point of order. The information you're raising, and in any case, he said, why would they be removing a transformer at night which is functioning?
Yes.
Isn't that what you said?
Yes, that's what I said, Honourable Speaker. And I was giving actually a case of in my constituency that has happened. And as I conclude, Honourable Speaker.
And the issue here is, which if I may get you right, is that there are functioning, what do you call, transformers that are being moved from place to place.
Exactly, Honourable Speaker.
Okay.
And I need a clarification from the chair. I saw him campaigning very seriously with 1.2 million in Ol Kalou and promising people electricity. And Honourable Speaker, I would wonder whether he will still continue and complete those projects now that they lost the election. Thank you, Honourable Speaker.